Wild ham and cheese mocha at Bahn Mi Cafe. Tonight we're going a little bit further afield, as it were, in cuisine. I went some simple chicken fried rice. Come on. So nothing crazy. Just chicken fried rice, a little spicy sauce, some cucumber slices, and a bottle of water. Have plenty of places to eat here. Let's talk about how much this all costs. So flying from Manila to here, so what is it, $220 I think? I spent $20 for eSIM. I kind of was blowing through my data, so I did a top up, extra $19. That's like 20 megabytes or something. I don't know, look it up. The food, using ChatGPT, if you're very frugal, you could probably get to around $300 a month. Probably closer to $400 a month. But if you spend a little more lavishly, you're getting close to $1,000. I'm probably going to clock in at around $700 for food for a month. My Airbnb is $440. I was talking to a guy yesterday from Ohio. He's been here for like a year. He negotiated a price with where he and his wife are staying. And if I did the math right in my head, he works out about only $220 for the month. They said that between the two of them, on their most expensive month, they only spent $1,500. And on their cheapest month, or correction, on their average month, they're spending around $1,300 a month. That's two seniors. I'm guessing they're on Social Security. So if we say they're a median Social Security of $1,800, then that means they have a spending of about $3,500. And like I said, they're spending on average, they said $1,300 a month. So $1,300 a month actually out of $600. So that means they have $2,300 left over every month by staying here instead of living back in Ohio. I don't know, that's pretty good. And they said that on the e-visa, when you fill it out, I asked them this question about the health insurance, and they kind of made it sound like they kind of fudged that, because I think they said he had to get like ultrasound and some work done on one of his knees. He said all in he only spent $250. They just paid out of pocket for that. And I think he said his wife or someone else he knew had to get a tooth extracted. It's $20. So even if you don't pay for the traveler's insurance, traveler's health insurance, you can still save a lot of money. Just know that if something goes wrong, you're going to get in trouble with the government. So be prepared for that situation, that you might be, whatever Vietnamese government decides to do to you, getting hurt and running up a medical bill that you can't cover. Let's go find some coffee. Chill and let dinner settle in my stomach. Green cheese Danish hot mocha, $4.10 at Paris Levant.